Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, egg-free, high-protein, low-fat, don't spend ridiculous amounts of money for some eggs that just raise your cholesterol. Instead, make some egg-free, super fluffy pancakes. The game changer is a high-protein pizza flour. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour half a cup of soy yogurt into a bowl, along with a third cup of soy milk, a cup of a high-protein pizza flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Next, mix it until smooth. Now scoop the batter onto a hot pan. Cook them from both sides. And enjoy super fluffy and super healthy pancakes! Thanks for watching.